Hello, welcome to my Odoo module development tutorial. Odoo 17 introduced built-in AI capabilities, but what if you lean towards using Google Gemini instead? Watch this video to learn how to develop a module that links Google Gemini with Odoo. Now, let's begin, but if you have not set up your computer for Odoo 17 development, you can follow the tutorial in this channel for easy and quick steps to set up your computer for Odoo development. The link is in this video description. Launch VS Code and open Odoo folder. If you followed the tutorial in this channel, the folder is in your home directory /odoo-dev/17.0.community. First we need to install Python library for Google Gemini. Open VS Code terminal window by pressing Ctrl key and J key and type in the commands as shown on your screen. You can pause the video to copy it. Continue with creating the basic module skeleton, the directory structure, manifest file, and init files, inside folder custom/add-ons, as shown on your screen. Since we will transform responses from Google Gemini to HTML, we will be using ShowdownJS for processing the responses. Type in the commands shown on your screen to VS Code terminal to download ShowdownJS file. Then create a Python file named main inside folder controllers and type in the codes as shown on your screen. Include this file to the init file in the directory. Next, create another Python file named resconfig settings inside folder models and type in the codes. Don't forget to include it to the init file for the directory. Continue with creating a JavaScript file inside folder widget named generate text and type in the codes. Then create the corresponding XML file inside the same directory and type in the XML as shown. Create a JavaScript file inside folder wysiwyg with the same name and type in the codes. Last but not least, create an XML file inside folder views named resconfig setting and type in the XML as shown. Our module is now ready. To use it, we need to install it first. Run Odoo with pressing F5 key, or switch to Run and Debug tab, and click the Start Debugging icon. Open browser and type in localhost 8069. Log into Odoo if you're not logged in. Go to Menu Apps. Update the app list by clicking Menu Update Apps List. Clear the search filter and type in Gemini to search the module. Click Activate button and wait for it to finish. To see if our module works, go to Menu Settings and scroll down to section Google Gemini. Put your API key and save the settings. If you don't have an API key, you can get it from Google Gemini website. The link is in this video description. Go to Menu Inventory, and open Menu Products. Select any of the product to open the product details. Find and click Internal Note field. Then type /gem, you should be seeing a new menu to generate text. Click on the menu, a dialog will appear, then click on button Generate. Upon successful request to Google Gemini, the dialog should be then closed automatically and a new article should be set to the internal note field. If you're not satisfied with the generated article, you can always regenerate it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please like this video and share it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.